Good morning, students. Today I am with you with the case study problem, that is based on the topic discussed yesterday, that is demand and revenue function. So question is that in the actually this is case study. So with the help of the you can say this table or this picture, I want to explain it. So this is the e-rickshaw company is there. So he has certain number of rickshaw, e-rickshaw. So that is an e-rickshaw is there, and he is hiring or he is taking rupees X per day per rickshaw. What? Rupees X per day per rickshaw. How many rickshaws there are n? And the function for rickshaw is given, that is nx is given here. This is nx is given. One information or more given. This is clear. So what will be? And you know that is this is what? This is nx means total number of rickshaw, that is given in function, and this is in function. And total revenue collected by or total amount collected by one rickshaw is x. So what will be total amount collected, total revenue will be collected? Just I told this topic based on few wherein the questions are given. These are here revenue what is using, maximum what is using. So you see, it is that clear that this topic is correlated with what? It is correlated with it is correlated with what? That maxima or minima topic. Okay. So all the basic concepts will be used. We use in maxima or minima. So here the this information which simplified in this picture form. So it is given conditionally given that all the things are written in language. So here it is. E-rickshaw company has n rickshaw, and n rickshaw function is given this, and charge for per day for rickshaw is x. And one thing is that the company will be paid charge if that charge per day x is, then the condition of x is given. अगर चार्ज पर डे आपका 100 और 300 के बीच में है तभी आप यह चार्ज लेंगे, अदरवाइज आप लेस देन 100 है, इट इज गिवन इन दैट लेस देन 100 ऑल विल पे चार्ज, लेस देन 100 है ऑल विल पे चार्ज, 100 और 300 के बीच में है तब भी चार्ज होगा. इफ मोर देन 300 इज देयर, अगर चार्ज जो है मोर देन 300 है, सो देन इन दैट केस कंपनी विल नॉट पे पर डे चार्ज. Sorry, collect. Company will not collect, or that e-rickshaw owner will not give the charge to the company. Is it clear? So with the help of this information we are trying to solve this one. So first of all you tell me that is e-rickshaw function is given, that the e-rickshaw function, these are total rickshaw tool, and charge per day, the total revenue function will be rx. It is total revenue function is denoted by which term, that is rx with respect to this chapter. So मैं लिखने जा रहा हूँ. So that is rx क्या होगा मुझे यहाँ बताइए. So rx इक्वल टू एक का चार्ज कितना x है, रिक्शे कितने हैं, दिस इज, and इधर क्लियर दैट number of rickshaw in form of function is given this. So what will be rx? That will be total nx, यानी this nx function, nx into x. So what is nx here? Nx is 4000 minus 10x and into what? X. So finally overall what will be this? This is revenue function आपका बन के आ जाएगा, that is 4000x and minus 10x square. So this is first part of the question is this. He is asking a total revenue function. So this is revenue function is 4000x minus, that is 10x square. That is your first solution of the answer of the question. Is it clear? Now what is second part? Second part में क्या कह रहा हो? Second part में कह रहा है, so that is second part क्या कह रहा है? It is written that for what value of this is maximum and minimum. So that is complete question. You have to go for the maximum, minimum. You have to go. क्या करते हैं? First step is that is r dash x, or you can say that is drx upon dx, कुछ भी कर लो, is equal to what? Derivate this one. This is not revenue function is this. So you go for derivation. So now if you go derivation, what you write, that is it is 4000 and minus that is 20x. Next step is After derivating, what we after differentiation, what we will do? We will go for critical point. About what you want for critical points. What will be drx upon dx is equal to what? 0. So equal 0 बराबर तो that is what? 4000 minus 20x equal to 0. So finally x will be, that is I think 200. So maximum, what is x, you know? That is the maximum value of the charge particle 200. What will be 200? X, you know what is x? X is charge particle. So he is saying that to get the maximum revenue के लिए एक रिक्शे का maximum charge कितना होता है? That should be 200. Now we have to verify it whether it is maximum or not. So what will next step for maximum minimum? What will be? That will be for maximum or minimum. What will do? Double derivative d2 rx upon dx is equal to, इसको डेरिवेट करेंगे किसको? दिस वाले को, है ना? दिस विल बी टू बी डेरिवेट अगेन. सो इसका तो 0 हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज दैट? -20. व्हाट इज दैट? -20 is less than 0. So what will be? That will be maximum. That will be maximum. Clear? Now second part is over. Maximum कह रहा है, it is proved, and for what value of x क्या कह रहा है? That is 200. So second part, answer of second part is this: x equal to 200, and it is what? Explaining, or this step will tell us that the revenue will be maximum when x equal to 200. And its a part is also there. Maximum revenue collected is same. इसी को साफ कर लेते हैं. So maximum revenue at what value of x we are getting maximum? That is we are getting x equal to 200. So and the maximum revenue, and a revenue function is where? Revenue function is this. Where is revenue function? This is. So here what you like now from Upperland? So here we get last part I am doing. Okay, but which part I am doing, you know? That is last part. Which part? That is fourth or fifth part. Which part is this? This is I think fifth part, no? Last part means, okay, written there. Fifth, yes, it is written. Fifth part, maximum revenue. So maximum revenue will be, that is fifth part. Maximum revenue equal to what will be? This is now revenue function. Yes, it is 4000. मेरा अच्छा नहीं लगा. It is what? 4000 x into what? What is value of x? 200 minus 10 into 200 square. So result will be 2 4 the 8 के आगे कितने 0? 2 3 4 5, and it is 10, and 2 4 के आगे 4 0 and 5 0. Clear? So go for subtraction. What you will get? So 0, 5 तो 0 है नहीं, and that is, it is I think 4. It is what? This is the maximum revenue, and maximum revenue part is what? That maximum revenue part is क्या था? 200, and total maximum revenue है ना? Total revenue is equal to what? This is 4000. Is it clear? Now one part is there, that third part I think. Third part क्या था इसमें? Move कर रहा हूँ इसको. Third part is this: if x equal to 300, then if x equal to 300, this is third part. If x equal to 300, then total revenue will be, what will be total revenue? In case of x equal to 300, total revenue will be, you know, condition is given that, यहाँ condition दे रखी है 300. So equal to 300 is this. So you will not have to pay any rent. Clear? So what is next answer? In case of third, there will be no revenue. In case of x equal to 300, there will be no revenue. You know why? Why it is? Because it is given that if it is equal to 300, no tax will be paid. No tax will be पे, दैट्स व्हाई फॉर दैट वन फॉर थर्ड पार्ट यही कर देते हैं, चलो ऊपर मूव कर लें। और थर्ड पार्ट it is part third, it is part third. In third part what is given that since that is x is equal to 3 and condition is given that for x is greater than or equal to 300 there is no revenue, there will be no revenue. So this will be answer of third. So now which part is left now? One more part. Fourth part is left, I think. Fourth part is if x equal to 250, if x equal to 250, then will be what? Revenue will be what? Total maximum revenue formula count था, that was तो नीचे कर लें, that was 4000x. total rx जो था हमारा. So rx equal to that is rx at x equal to 250 is equal to था क्या हमारा, that was 4000x minus 10x square will gives 4000 into 250 and minus 10 into 250 square. This is, so what will be, move करने में चलो हो जाएगा, आ जाएगा. I think this is 25 4 is 100. This is, and how many zeros are there? 4 0 1 2 3 4 minus it is 625. या आगे कितने जीरो, 2 0 3 0. It is what? 6 2 5 0 0 0. So what will be result? and इधर the minus, that is, so क्या होगा, that is 3 तो जीरो आ जाएंगे आपके सीधे सीधे, है ना. ये वाला इसमें हो गया, ये वाला इसमें हो गया, ये वाला इसमें, देन फोर्थ is 0 0 10 में से खा के 5 हो गया, and that is 9 में से हो गया 7 हो गया, and then 9 में से 6 का 3 हो गया. It is 375. and where will the revenue is there? Revenue बात करें, so you put the rupees on it, no problem. It is also rupees and it is also rupees 375,000 will be what, that is maximum revenue when the x is charged as rupees 250, I think, no. Yes, it is 250. So this is the solution of this question given to you, and so you have to, I expect that you note it down in classwork copy, and this will be treated as assignment. This will be treated as assignment. So this type of question may be actually there is a slight change, है ना. So a slight twist is there in the question. So directly in your book and in your textbook you learn about the demand function and marginal cost, marginal revenue, and that is revenue function. But here slight change is there in the question. कहाँ company आ गया बीच में? So that this type of question is now as per the new education policy. CBSE want to judge to you with the help of this type of reasoning and assessment question, this case study question, competency based question. So these all categories of the questions are very important for examination point of view. So you have to go through the different type of question papers, older previous year question papers, sample papers, and with the discussion of your friends or anywhere from where information you are getting. So try to go through these type of questions. So this is very important from examination point of view, and this is all about for the day. And with the next questions I will meet you in next video. Till that, bye.